Stopping a sneeze might feel polite, but it's an internal explosion. When you pinch your nose and close your mouth, that powerful blast of air has nowhere to go. It's forced back into your head at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. This massive pressure can rupture your eardrums, pop blood vessels in your eyes, and in rare cases even cause a brain aneurysm. Your body is trying to expel an irritant. Let it do its job. Next time you feel the tickle, grab a tissue and let it out. It's better to be loud than to cause an internal injury. Let your body breathe.